Caption Close Washington, President Donald Trump signed the most consequential tax legislation in 3 decades on Friday, even as he complained that he has not been given credit for his administration's accomplishments during a turbulent first year. Trump decided against doing a formal signing ceremony early next year because television news networks questioned whether he would keep his promise to sign the legislation before Christmas. Trump said he saw the coverage Friday morning and hastily called his staff to say that the legislation needed to be signed now, prompting a last-minute Oval Office ceremony for the president's greatest achievement in his first year in office. "We did a rush job today," Trump said at the bill signing. "It's not fancy, but it's the Oval Office. It's the great Oval Office." It marked another improvisational moment in a presidency already known for abandoning the norms of the office. Homeowners rush to prepay property tax. Homeowners in affluent towns across the country are rushing to take advantage of a deal that they hope will save them big. Tax collectors in many communities are seeing a surge in property tax prepayments before 2018 in an effort to cash in, for one last year, on a deduction that the coming tax overhaul will limit. Since a national income tax began more than 100 years ago, people have been allowed to deduct from their income the amount they've paid for state and local taxes. But under the tax legislation President Donald Trump signed into law Friday, there's a $10,000 cap on the deductions. That's going to hit hard in states such as California, Connecticut, New York, and New Jersey, states where the average state and local deductions in 2015 all topped $17,000. In New Jersey, the average property tax bill alone was nearly $8,300 last year, and there are scores of towns where the average bill is above the $10,000 threshold. It's not clear what deductions the IRS will accept. The new law specifically bars taking deductions for income taxes paid ahead of time, but it is silent on prepaid local property taxes. Associated Press Corporation's going wild. The bill was the most significant legislative victory for Trump, who has struggled during his first year in office to pass major bills that would deliver on campaign promises, even with Republicans having the majority in both chambers of Congress. Republicans promise the new tax law will benefit the middle class, but Democrats have warned that the law could be harmful to many lower-income taxpayers and to the nation's fiscal health. "It's going to be a tremendous thing for the American people," Trump said. Before signing the legislation Friday, Trump said in a Twitter post that companies were celebrating the bill's passage with bonuses for workers. He wrote, "Our big and very popular tax cut and reform bill has taken on an unexpected new source of love, that is big companies and corporations showering their workers with bonuses. This is a phenomenon that nobody even thought of, and now it is the rage. Merry Christmas."